Yes, hello. If you missed class, I'm making this little video so you'll know what we did on Tuesday and March 22nd. So, first and foremost, you need to know that we're moving from Lightroom CC to Lightroom Classic. And what you'll do is just go to the Adobe Suite or I'm sorry, the Adobe Creative Cloud, and you'll open or set yourself up to start working with Lightroom Classic. So and I'll give you the instructions on how to do that. But first and foremost, once you get into the Lightroom Classic software, you won't have any photos down here. I have a bunch that are already there, and what I'm going to have you do, we're going to be working on the collage project, and you're going to take photos of things that are important to you, things that are personal to you, about 12 images. And basically, what you're going to do is you're going to change from where it says library to print. And on this screen here, we're going to set it up so you can start to do your collage or lay things out. So I'm going to show you real quickly how to do that. First and foremost, you want to come over here where it says template browser. And when you look down here, you'll see the different sizes or the different types of layouts that you can have. What we're selecting is right here, it says custom overlap X3 or by 3. And you'll see here you have these 3 different rectangular shapes. If you click on one of these, you can resize it. Basically, what's going to happen is your photos will go into these little cells. The other thing that you can do, if you have photos loaded here and you want to start to bring your images in for your collage, you just click on one and you just drag it up, and it will create a cell for it. And as you can see here, you have to be kind of careful because you don't want to get rid of the little bear. The other thing that you want to think about is creating more of these rectangular shapes. So if we want to, I'm going to show you how to change this. Let's say you want to add another cell. What you're going to do is go over here where it says 2 by 25, and you'll see that it'll set this in here. So ultimately what's going to happen is you're going to have a bunch of images on here. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and get rid of a few of these so I can show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to grab another one and just slide it up here. And you'll see the last thing that I drug up here is over the top of this. So every time you have something that comes on after another, it's on the top of everything. Okay? So I'm going to grab another one here, and you'll see that that's over the top of that one. And later I'll talk to you about how to bring things forward that you want to have forward. But anyway, this is just so you can start getting set up and start getting used to using this new software. Again, all you're going to do when you come in is going to say library, and we want to go over to print so we can start to bring different um, cells onto this page. So let's say that you accidentally choose one that's larger. What will happen is it'll take it over to create a second page, and you can just click on the center of it and drag it over and just resize it. Okay, and you can get rid of that second page. Anyway, this is just the introduction and just something for you to practice and work on.